Hey everybody, it's Dominic Preston here, showing you some easy chords to play. Before we start, please subscribe to my videos so that you can get more information, more chords, and if you have questions, please answer them below. It would be great to hear from you. Let us start with our chords here, the key of G chords.
Our next set of chords is the key of G, and they are G, E minor, C, D7 or D, and then back to G. We're going to concentrate on our new chord here, D7. To play our chord G, you're going to place your third finger on E, which is the first string from the bottom, behind the third fret. Then you're going to place your first finger on A, the fifth string from the bottom, behind the second fret. And then your second finger on E, the sixth string from the bottom, behind the third fret. And you can play down from E, and that is your chord G. Our next chord is E minor. E minor to me is the easiest chord in the guitar world. So what we do is you place your second finger on A, behind the second fret on the fifth string from the bottom, and then your third finger on D, the fourth string from the bottom, behind the second fret, and that is your chord E minor. Now we're going to play our chord C, and what we do is you place your first finger on B behind the first fret. Our second finger is on D, the fourth string from the bottom, behind the second fret. Our third finger is going to be on E, the sixth string from the bottom, behind the third fret. Then we're going to place our pinky on A underneath our third finger. A is the fifth string from the bottom, behind the third fret. Let me show you a couple of ways to play that chord C. May not be able to get it in immediately, but there are a few ways to play it. The first way is the easy chord C. Place your first finger on B behind the first fret, second finger on D, fourth string from the bottom, behind the second fret. Play from D down, and that is your chord C. Just try it there, from D down. And then the other way is just place your third finger on A behind the third fret. Play the chord from A down, always strummed on the downbeat, and that is your chord C. The next chord you want to do is play is D7. What you're going to do is you keep your first finger on B behind the first fret, move your second finger down one string to G, which is the third from the bottom, behind the second fret, and then your third finger is going to be on E, the first string from the bottom, behind the third fret, and that's your chord D7. Again, just play from D down, and then we go back to our chord G. Okay? So let's play along together. 4 strums on each chord, down strums only at this time. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4 to E minor, 2, 3, 4 to C, 2, 3, 4, D7, 2, 3, 4, and back to D, G, 2, 3, 4. Now you have a go.